Anupa and welcome to the Bombay Street Food Special. And what are we doing right now? I have a lot of bread here, and when you talk about Mumbai street food, sandwich is a vital dish on the streets of Mumbai. So there's cheese sandwich, there's toast sandwich, there is brun pav, there is maska pav, there is everything, there is anda pav. But what I'm showing you now is the actual toast sandwich, which is done in this kind of a toaster. And it comes out so good. Actually, this toaster was the one, or rather an ancient tool while I was a school child, and we used to get this sandwich in our tiffin boxes, and now it's a specialty because no longer people use this at home and it's become a delicacy on the streets. So let's now make this lovely Mumbai toast sandwich. And why is it so tasty? Because of the ingredients and the recipe. What is the recipe all about? The recipe is all about making the masala very, very tasty. And how do you do that? I've got some potato. So this is aloo, ubla hua aloo, which is boiled potato, peeled and mashed. You just have to crush it with your hands. So this is the mashed potato that I have. And I have some ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. So this is the paste. So you have to make this paste. You have to boil the potato. And this is the main ingredient to your Mumbai toast sandwich. Oil has to be put into the pan. Apart from this, we need some shredded cabbage and some capsicum juliennes. So these two ingredients together will make this sandwich super hit. So in the oil, we'll first put this ginger, garlic and green chilli. Very, very coarse paste. Wow, very, very fragrant. Followed by a little bit of turmeric powder. So after putting in the turmeric, we'll add the potato. Let's put some salt into this, some fresh coriander, and we need to sprinkle some water. The masala that we've made has to coat the potato really well. So just mix it up nicely and try and mash it into the pan like this. Okay, so here you go. The masala for the sandwich is done. See this? So this masala is done. We'll remove it out in a bowl. And now comes the assembly. So we take bread slices. So let's take 2 slices of bread. So now to begin with, first we start by putting in butter. So apply butter on both the slices. By applying butter, what happens is you create a layer on the bread so that the chutney that you apply after butter doesn't get the bread too soggy, like this. And for this sandwich, you don't really need to cut the edges because the edges go crisp when you toast it. That's okay. Now onto this, let's put some cabbage. So on one side of the bread, we'll put cabbage followed by some capsicum. Green capsicum, and over it let's sprinkle some chaat masala, a good portion of the potato bhaji, and with your hands just press it like this. Yeah. One onion, just open it up, followed by a slice of tomato, again some chaat masala, and cover it. So the sandwich is done, but now it has to go into this sandwich toaster. So what do you do first? So you take some butter and apply it here or apply it over the bread, whichever is convenient, on both the sides. Actually, these days these toasters have also come into a non-stick variety. So in case if you have a non-stick toaster, you may not want to put this butter also on top. Take this and place it and cover it. Now it is a loaded sandwich, so you will have a little bit of bread coming out on the side. Doesn't matter. Whatever is excess can always come off like this. Now just switch on the heat and place this. Actually, it needs to be placed over a medium hot gas range. So this one is better. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this stay like this for 5 minutes on one side, flip and cook the other side as well. So 5 minutes on each side, I think it's done. Let's open and check. And in case if it's not, you can always shut it and cook it once again on the gas. But oh wow, look at this. The minute it is out, take some butter and put it on top and just hear this. So crisp, so crisp. And this is exactly what the sandwich wala does, and I have learnt it from him. So if you feel that you don't want to put butter, don't put. But of course there's no maja. I think I'll just cut this into two. Nice, good looking board. Sandwich is super tasty. And I'm also going to make one more for myself. But after you've made the sandwich, put some chutney along with it. I have got green chutney, which I'm just going to place like this. Dunk my sandwich into the chutney, bite it out and eat as many more as I want, because when you make this recipe at home, it's easy, it's simple, and everybody eats together. My recipe of Mumbai toast sandwich, especially for you. Do try and let me know how you like it. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.